Have you ever wondered how a pig is reared? Like chickens and turkeys, pigs have their special procedures when reared. One of them is the extensive system. The extensive system allows pigs to move out and fend for themselves. In such situations, the animals are exposed to adverse weather conditions and diseases. However, this system saves the owner money and expenses. Another system is a semi-intensive system. This system provides housing for the pigs and are allowed to move out to feed on natural vegetation. This system doesn't cost much money too and reduces exposure to diseases. The third system is the intensive system. The intensive system restricts pigs. Pigs are confined within a building and not allowed to move out of the compound. However, the benefit of this system is that it protects pig from the adverse weather condition and the growth rate is high. Trust you had for learning in this lesson. See you in the next class.